I will install CodeCanyon script, customization Laravel, PHP. Hello. I can install CodeCanyon script, customization Laravel, and PHP inside the accompanying advancements. PHP, Laravel, CodeIgniter, WordPress, HTML CSS Bootstrap, e-commerce, point of sale, or the other script. My offer: CodeCanyon site script establishment to your live server. Do any customization or bug fix in your script? Add a totally new module or element to the current code. Do template or style changes. Change this rendition of the script. Install and oversee your site with continuous upgradation. PHP or site creation from scratch. Why choose me? I have 2+ years of mastery in web development. Industry mastery and individual project handling mastery. Hands-on mastery on 5+ comes now. I realize how to write spotless and bug-free code. Expert in investigating and distinguishing bugs. -100% satisfaction. Delivery time. Orders will be delivered on the basis of the script and installation platform within 5 to 6 hours, but not more than 48 hours. Special note: I will not provide the script. Take extra charge for customization. Extra charge for installation on the VPS server. NB, knock me before placing your order so that we can discuss this in detail.